Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to secure Google Chrome against tracking and fingerprinting, step by step. If you want to protect your privacy while browsing and prevent websites from following your activity, yeah, this guide is perfect. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings, Arrow Privacy, and Security. Here you'll find options to manage cookies, trackers, and site permissions, all essential for privacy. Start with cookies and other site data. Enable Block third-party cookies. This prevents advertisers from tracking you across multiple websites. You can also choose to clear cookies when you close Chrome for extra privacy. Next, enable Enhanced Safe Browsing under Security Settings. This helps Chrome detect harmful websites, phishing, and malware. So yeah, it's a quick way to improve security. Now consider using strict site isolation. Go to chrome://flags, search for site isolation, and enable it. This prevents websites from accessing data from other tabs, which reduces fingerprinting risks. Install privacy-focused extensions too, like ad blockers or anti-tracking tools. Extensions like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger block trackers and scripts that try to identify your browser uniquely. Disable unnecessary permissions for websites. Go to Settings, Arrow Site Settings, and review access to location, camera, microphone, and notifications. Limiting permissions reduces how much sites can fingerprint you. Finally, use a secure DNS provider. Go to Settings, Arrow Security, Arrow, use Secure DNS, and choose a trusted provider. This encrypts your DNS queries, making it harder for ISPs or hackers to track your browsing. And that's it. By managing cookies, enabling enhanced security, isolating sites, using privacy extensions, and limiting permissions, you can significantly reduce tracking and fingerprinting in Google Chrome. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.